Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to post NGL link to your Instagram bio. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, you need to launch NGL and then you need to copy your link. And once the link is copied, you then need to launch Instagram. Now once Instagram is opened, you then need to click on your profile and simply tap on edit profile. Now at this point, you need to long press where you see website to paste the NGL link, and once you're done, you simply need to tap on done. Now you could simply tap on the NGL link from your Instagram profile, so other persons could actually come to your Instagram profile and send you anonymous messages through your NGL link. So that's pretty much how you'd go about pasting the NGL link to your Instagram bio. So if you guys found this video useful or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.